Welcome to Uganda, the Pearl of Africa, East Africa's economic and industrial revolution front-runner. With an electricity power capacity of 3,500 megawatts, equatorial weather all year round to support agriculture, a young skilled population, a road network connecting to DRC Congo, Southern Sudan, Rwanda, Tanzania and Kenya have made Uganda the region's most favorable investment destination, with Kapeka being at the forefront of this industrial revolution. Welcome to Kapeka, home of revolution and vision. Evident as the place that altered the course of history of our country during the NRA Bush War under the leadership of General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. Having started in 2013 under the visionary initiative of the President of Uganda, His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, and the People's Republic of China under the guidance of the CPPCC Chairman Mr. Wang Yang. Once again, the great leaders have chosen Kapeka to be Africa's industrial front for the people of Africa under the flagship of the Liaoshen Industrial Park. With the intention of servicing 50 to 80 factories, Liaoshen Industrial Park Administration Facility is now a fully fledged one-stop center with services ranging from URSB, immigration, URA, and customs. The industrial park is built on 5.2 square kilometers with an estimated investment of $600 million. The government of Uganda has ensured that a direct electricity power station is dedicated to the park to ensure 100% efficiency. The Liaoshen Industrial Park has 16 operational facilities that are Whole and Move Food Technologies, producing fruit candy for export. Gaga Foods, producing crispy snacks made from local produce. Dragon and Phoenix Electronics, producing home electronic appliances. Goodwill Ceramics, producing floor tiles. Holy Love, producing LED lights. Huawei International Group, producing ceramic, sanitary and kitchenware. Jindi Agriculture Development Limited, producing vegetable oils and agriculture tools. Latex Textile, producing cloth and garment. Nanan Shoes, manufacturing shoes. Tidy Fish, manufacturing fish nets and gears. Yahi International Investment, producing maize flour. Gokta Workwear, manufacturing industrial shoes and uniforms. eBay, producing stockings. Six Cornerstones, producing travel bags and backpacks. Noble Electronics, licensed to produce Hisense electronics. The Ugandan government has set policies and investment initiatives such as free trade zone policies, 10-year tax holiday on income tax, free tax on construction material, plant, machinery, vehicle and raw material used for production, with Liaoshen operational policies such as establishing service systems to ease investors, accelerate the process of investment attracting, promote sustainable development. Tightly knit government business relations have made Liaoshen Industrial Park as the most attractive investment destination in the region. The Liaoshen Industrial Park has brought fundamental change to the people of Kapeka, such as good roads, electricity, employment, and so many sectors quickly developing to support both business and livelihoods of the people. Uganda-China Liaoshen Industrial Park. Invest with the best, the engine of success in Africa.